Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dwarf papaya tree easily. With my simple method, anyone can do it. No special tools or experience needed. You can grow this dwarf papaya in a pot or directly in the ground. Let's get started and grow your own papaya tree at home. This is a papaya tree I planted 6 months ago. It's growing strong with many leaves, flowers, and fruits. Today, I'll show you how to make this papaya tree shorter. First, I remove the old leaves and the fruits near the base of the tree. This helps the tree focus its energy on the upper leaves and fruits. Now I cut a 7 cm slit on the papaya stem. Then I insert a small piece of wood to keep the slit open. This will help stimulate new root growth. Here I have a 1-liter plastic cup. I make a drainage hole and a few small holes to tie it to the stem. This cup will hold the soil mix to help the tree grow new roots. I use a wire to fix the plastic cup to the papaya stem. This method is simple but very effective. It keeps the cup stable and secure. Next, I take some topsoil from the vegetable bed. I dry it under the sun until it's no longer wet. Then I crush it into small pieces. Today, I use torn pieces of cardboard soaked in water. Then I mix it with the soil as the growing medium. Wet cardboard keeps moisture very well and helps roots grow faster. Now the soil is dry, I crush it into small pieces. Then I mix it with the soaked cardboard. I squeeze out the excess water to keep the right moisture. If we don't do this, too much water can rot the papaya stem. Note, when adding the soil mix, press it firmly into the cup. Don't leave empty spaces inside, or insects may build nests there. After 20 days, many new roots have grown. Now I add some root booster to make the roots stronger. Now the roots are strong and healthy. I remove the plastic cup and replace it with a bigger pot. First, I tie two wooden sticks into an X shape to make a stand for the pot. Use a strong rubber band to tie them tightly. This keeps the pot stable and protects the roots when moving. Next, I cut the side and bottom of the pot. This pot will replace the plastic cup around the roots. For now, I use tape to hold the pot in place. After adding the soil, I'll tie it tightly with a rope. This is compressed dry cocoa peat. I soak it in water to let it expand. Now I take some soil from the vegetable bed and mix it with cocoa peat. The soil here is loose and rich in nutrients, perfect for potted plants. Make sure the soil is airy and drains well. The new roots are still soft and weak. Too much rain can rot them. After filling the pot with soil and pressing it firmly, I use tape to seal the top edge of the pot. Then I tie it tightly with a rope. This way, when cutting it down for planting, the roots and soil will stay intact. I water the plant once every 3 days. I'll keep the pot on the tree for about 2 months. When the roots are strong and the fruits are healthy, I'll cut it down and plant it in the soil. Stay tuned to see the next steps.